my super glamorous pajamas, but today I wanted to have a bit of a glow up, a bit of a reset, because I just don't really want to look like this anymore. I mean, I have just like woken up, but it doesn't really get a lot better than this. But I also just feel like I have been a bit of a mess over the past few weeks, pretty unhealthy to be honest for the majority of the summer. So I'm going to try today and put in a bit of an effort. I have a list of things to do. I woke up this morning before 9, which is very surprising for me, and I read some of my book, and I also just watched some YouTube just to like relax a bit. And then I'm gonna get up, I'm gonna have a shower. I think I'm gonna also tint my eyebrows and my eyelashes. I haven't done this for quite a few months, and I always just feel like I look a lot better afterwards. I don't know if it's like a placebo effect, because my eyebrows and my eyelashes are both pretty dark, but I just think I look better after I do this, especially if I've not got any makeup on. So I'm gonna do that, and I have a few other things to do. I'm also today waiting to hear back about a job. I'm really hoping I get it, but I just like have a feeling that they're not gonna give me it, but hopefully they'll get back to me today about that. And Danny is also waiting to hear back about an offer he put in for a flat, so it's potentially a very exciting day. But aside from that, I'm gonna just try and do a few things to just feel better about myself. Honestly, I'm not sure how many I'll get done, but I'm gonna give it a go. But I definitely need to start by washing my hair, because it's disgusting. I also do want to say that I try and do this all the time, and I never continue doing it. So this may not last very long. I think I have shown this before, but to do my eyebrows, I use this eye lure dye brow tint and dark brow. I mainly focus it on like the ends. Not really this one, it's only the end of this one that's like a bit sparse, because when I take my makeup off for some reason my eyebrow hairs always come out. Don't know why that is, it's very annoying. Just finished doing my nails. I feel like they actually don't look that bad. Usually they turn out a lot worse than this. I mean, up close they're not very good, but from a distance I think they look okay. I just did them myself. I have this like little gel nail kit that I just got from Amazon. It was like 20 or 30 pounds I think, which I feel like I've got quite good use out of it. I don't really like doing my nails and I'm not very good at it, but this is a lot more cost efficient than going and getting my nails done, obviously, which I didn't really do very often anyway, but there was like a phase last year where I got them done like twice, and I was like, I can't keep this up because it's too expensive. So I bought one of these, and I don't really do them very often because like I love how they look, but when they start to chip they really irritate me, and like I just sometimes like to just not have anything on my nails. But I hated the thought of going to get them done. I guess part of it was like an anxiety thing, like I just don't like going to like things that I don't have to, I guess, like appointments. So I would just much rather do them at home, even though they don't really last very long and it takes me kind of a while and I'm not very good at it. But I would just rather, if I had to, do them at home. I actually was gonna do black or red because I was feeling really autumnal these past few days. However, it's very warm this week, so I thought I would just do the pink, and it means that when they chip, which they will probably chip literally today, then you can't really tell as much because it's quite light. I need to do something with my hair at some point. It's about 3 right now and we still haven't heard back about the flat, and I also haven't heard about the job. So I'm a little nervous. Oh my god, there's something in my eye. But at some point when Danny finishes work, we're gonna go to our friend's house and have some wine, I think. Just because it's nice outside, we'll go sit. They've got a wee garden, so we'll go sit there, which will be nice. Bones' new favourite thing is my tripod. It is now all chewed. It's a lot of it. Did you laugh? Danny and I actually went on a little run this morning. I haven't ran in months, so I really struggled, and I also woke up this morning not feeling very well. Like my throat was really itchy, and then now I just feel like a bit run down. But I've showered and I've got ready for the day. Actually, I need to fix my mascara. I'm about to meet my sister for coffee. I wanted to show you my outfit, but I'm not 100% sure if I actually like it very much. This is what I'm wearing. I don't know if it's the shoes that are kind of throwing me off. I just don't know if it looks kind of odd. It's also meant to be really warm today again, I think, so I'm going to take off these sleeves when I'm too warm, and it'll just be the dress and the waistcoat, but I'm not sure. I don't know if I really like it, but my hair looks a mess, but I don't really have time to do anything else. Yeah. Which one? The one with the mountain. I quickly just popped out to the shops to get some stuff for lunch. So I'm gonna make chickpeas with some peppers. I would rather have like the individual peppers so that I don't have the plastic, but they didn't have any. They only had these ones. And then I also bought a packet of just this like microwavable basmati rice. So I'm gonna make all that with some spices. I think I had this the other day and it was really tasty. Oh, bless you. I have been in bed pretty much for the past like 4 or 5 hours just editing a video that I really wanted to get up tonight, but it's not done yet, so I'm gonna have to put it up tomorrow. But Danny has just phoned me. He was at work today. He's just phoned me and he's booked us to go out for dinner. So I'm so excited. We haven't been out for dinner in ages. I'm so excited, but I look like this. Actually, do you know what? I feel like I don't look that bad. I'm not gonna do any more makeup, I don't think, but I think I'll try and fix my hair and I'll just wear what I'm already wearing. But very excited, and it's a really nice evening as well. So yay, this will be fun. This evening we're going to our friend's house for a little games night, which I'm really excited about, but I told them I'd make a focaccia for it because they all love my focaccia. I'm not a great cook or baker, but I do make a good focaccia. So I told them that I would do that right now. It's also really, really warm outside. It's like 26 degrees. So I really want to make this quickly so I can go outside in the sun, because this is like probably going to be the last warm day this year, because it's going to rain again tomorrow. But I'm kind of excited for autumn, but this week has made me really wish that the summer was a bit better, because it's just been so like cold and miserable here this summer. Look at this focaccia. Don't know if it is. Do you think it's too done?
No, I don't think so.
It looks so tasty.